Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to take a look at what happens if you type SL by mistake when you meant to type LS. It depends on whether the particular software is installed on your system, but this can give you a laugh, so let's go ahead and try this. Oh, we typed SL, and we have a steam locomotive crawling across our screen. And that is just one of those things that happens if you mistype a command and you happen to have another tool installed that will respond to the command that you did type. Well, that's your Linux tip for SL, the steam locomotive. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.